Welcome to this demonstration of the Zyconix Active Directory Sync tool for HP Records Manager and HP TRIM. Now, in this demonstration we're going to change some properties of users and rename a group and see that flow through. So we'll come first of all to our server and we're going to make a couple of changes. Fred Bassett's left the organisation, so his account is going to be disabled. We could also set him to expire, but we'll explicitly set him to be disabled. Go OK. That's going to free us up a license in TRIM. Now, Tony Abbott, it's been pointed out to us, has got 2 T's in his surname. So we'll change that, fix that up. Richard Clark has gone all Spanish, so he's going to become Ricardo at zyconix.com for his email. And our group government users is going to become federal government users. Okay, back to our client. Now these guys still have exactly the same set of users. We'll go to our check XX AdSynchronizer, which does the job of the service, goes off to Active Directory and gets all our changes for us. We're not going to run any of the automated stuff as yet. And this is what you'll be doing if you're an administrator when you first install the software, to make sure your XML file's set up correctly. Now if we look at our Manage Sync UI, we'll see that there's been some updates, and we're currently connected to TRIM2. If we go into Manage Updates, we can see what those changes are. See, we've got an AD name change, we've got a mail change, we've got Tony Abbott changing. So we're going to do an update all in TRIM2, and we'll just double check that it's all changed here. There's our federal government users. Fred Bassett's been disabled, and Richard Clark has his Ricardo Clark. If we look at the other one, we've still got Richard Clark here. I'll do a refresh just to show you. So we haven't had any of those changes go through. Fred Bassett's still enabled. So we'll come back to our interface, change our dataset to TRIM1, and do our Manage Updates, update all. Okay, beautiful. And now if we refresh, we find federal government users, Fred Bassett, disabled, and so on and so forth. So that's just a demonstration of changes from Active Directory flowing through via the Zyconix Active Directory Synchronizer. And that's all for this demonstration.